So today we will discuss muscles of the hind limb. So for anatomical description, we divide the hind limb into the 4 regions. So this region is called the hip region. This region is called the thigh region. This is the leg region. This is the face region. So first we discuss the muscles of this area, anterior and the lateral aspect of the hip and the thigh area. So if you go from cranial to caudally, so this is the cranial side here. So here you can find a muscle, this muscle. So this muscle is called tensor fascia lata muscle. So this muscle is the tensor fascia lata. So if you name the muscle, so this muscle is the, or you can say, so the muscle is the tensor fascia lata muscle. So after this muscle, so this muscle is the medial gluteus muscle. In case of ox actually, so you will not find superficial gluteus above this, medial gluteus muscle. So this is the medial gluteus muscle. Superficial is absent in case of ox. So this is the medial gluteus muscle and this one is the deep gluteus muscle. Superficial is absent in case of ox. Now after that, so now you can see a very big muscle. So this one. So this entire whole muscle, this big muscle. So this muscle. So you can see this entire whole muscle. So this large muscle. This is the biceps femoris muscles or gluteo-bicep muscle. So this muscle, you can see. So this big muscle. So this one is the bicep femoris. So this whole muscle, big muscle. Bicep femoris or gluteo-bicep muscle. Now next, here you will find a tendon-like muscle here you will find. So this one, a tendon-like muscle. So this muscle is called, this one, semitendinosus muscle. Semitendinosus muscle. Okay. So this muscle is the semitendinosus tendon-like muscle. And now this muscle is the semimembranosus muscle. Semimembranosus muscle. Okay. So again you see. So this one is the bicep femoris, then a semitendinosus muscle, and this is the semimembranosus muscle. Now, if you see the anterolateral aspect, a very thick voluminous muscle you will find. So this whole muscle. So this is the quadriceps femoris muscle. The muscle has 4 parts actually. The part which you are looking actually, so this one. So this one is the lateral part. So this is called vastus lateralis. Okay. And this part actually, so this part is the vastus medialis part. And this part is the rectus femoris muscle. And below that you will find the, if you dissect it and remove this, so below that you will find the vastus intermedius. Again repeating. So vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, rectus femoris. Below that you will find the vastus intermedius. So we can pin this like this. So this is the vastus lateralis. Okay. So vastus lateralis. Okay. Okay. Vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, and this is the straight part, rectus femoris. So you can see. So this is the rectus femoris. Okay. So another part is there, that is the vastus intermedius, that we cannot show actually, that is present the rectus femoris. Okay. So again you see. So this part is the vastus medialis or the medial head of quadriceps femoris, the straight part, the rectus femoris, and the lateral part is the vastus lateralis. Okay. Now come to the medial aspect. Medial aspect of the hip and thigh area. All you know that on the medial aspect the muscles are present in the 3 different layers. Superficial layer, middle layer and the deep layer. So if you see the superficial layer, okay, so basically here you will find the gracilis muscle. So this big large muscle is the gracilis. Okay. So this muscle is the gracilis. The superficial layer muscle on the medial aspect of the hip and thigh area. So gracilis muscle. Okay. Then another muscle here you will find, you can see a ribbon-like muscle. It is called sartorius muscle. So this one is the sartorius muscle. Okay. So all you can see. So gracilis and sartorius, the superficial layer muscle. Okay. Now if you reflect back these 2 muscles. Now come to the middle layer. In the middle layer you will find also muscle like this. So this muscle is the semimembranosus muscle. Okay. So this is the semimembranosus muscle. already we have read that one actually. Okay, so already we have discussed this one actually. So semimembranosus muscle. Okay, then you will find a somewhat triangular muscle actually you will find. Okay, so this is the adductor muscle. This is the adductor muscle. So this triangular muscle is the adductor muscle. Okay, then you will find somewhat an elongated muscle you will find. Okay, so this is the your pectineus muscle. This one is the pectineus muscle. So this muscle is the pectineus muscle. So this muscle is the pectineus muscle. Pectineus. And this one is the vastus medialis. Already we have discussed this one. So already we have discussed this one. This is the vastus medialis. Okay. So now you can see a canal actually. So this is the semimembranosus, adductor muscle. This one. This is the pectineus, vastus medialis. So now you can see the canal. Okay. If you, I am removing the muscle flash now to see the canal properly. Okay. So these are the blood vessels and nerve fiber we will discuss. So now you can see. So this canal is called your actually femoral canal. So this canal is the called femoral canal. Called femoral canal actually. Now we will discuss the muscles of the lateral aspect of the leg region. So here very important muscles are there. Okay. Now you can see a very bulky big muscle, this one. Okay. This is the combination of three muscle actually. So this muscle is called complex muscle. The name is complex, but the muscle has three parts you can see. Okay. So this part. So this part is the peroneus tertius muscle. So this is the peroneus tertius. Okay. So this muscle is the peroneus tertius muscle. You can see its tendon inserting here. The peroneus tertius. Okay. Next. So this part. So you can see this muscle. So this is the medial digital extensor muscle. Okay. So this is the tendon of the medial digital extensor. Okay, you can see. This is the tendon of the medial digital extensor. And this one is the tendon of the common digital extensor. Okay. So now you can see clearly see. So together these three muscles you can see. Okay. Peroneus tertius, common digital extensor, medial digital extensor. So together they are called as the complex muscle. Okay. Together they are called complex. Next. Now if you see, so here another muscle is there. So this muscle is called peroneus longus muscle. So this muscle is the peroneus longus. Okay. So this is the peroneus longus muscle. Now this muscle is actually, you can see the tendon here. So this is the tendon of the lateral digital extensor. So this muscle is the lateral digital extensor muscle. So you can see clearly here. So this is the peroneus longus, and this one is the, if you pull like this, you can feel the stretching here. So tendon of the lateral digital extensor. Now you come here. So now in this region you will find a bulky muscle, this one. Okay. So this whole muscle, so this thick muscle actually. So this one is called as the gastrocnemius muscle, this one. The muscle is actually two bellies of the two parts. Okay. If you see here also, you can see the two tendon actually. So these are the two tendons of the two parts of the gastrocnemius muscle. So this bulky muscle is the gastrocnemius muscle. All you can see clearly. Gastrocnemius muscle. Okay. And below the muscle you will find the superficial digital flexor muscle. So this is the muscle you will find, superficial digital flexor muscle. Okay. So this is the gastrocnemius muscle. Okay. You can find gastrocnemius muscle. There are two heads actually, lateral head and the medial head. And below that you will find superficial digital flexor muscle. So now you can see these two tendons, very important. The tendon of the gastrocnemius muscle and the superficial digital flexor. So together they are called as the Achilles tendon or tendo-Achilles. So this is very important. Tendo-Achilles or Achilles tendon. So you can see this one. So this is the tendon of the superficial digital flexor muscle. Together they are called tendo-Achilles. Now you can see. Now, so this is the superficial digital flexor. So below that you will find the deep digital flexor. You can see this is the deep digital flexor. Actually the muscle, deep digital flexor, It is the combination of three muscle actually. Okay. So there are three parts of the deep digital flexure actually. So this part is the superficial part of the deep digital flexure. This is the medial part and this is the deep part. So togetherly, so these three. So togetherly these three muscle. Okay. It is the deep digital flexure. Okay. So this is the superficial part, and this is the deep part. This is the medial part. Okay. And this is the superficial digital flexure. Another muscle is there. This is the complexus or complex muscle. So below the complex muscle, just in front of the tibia, a thin strap of muscle is there. Okay. This is the complex muscle. Below that, you will find, just enter to tibia, you will find a thin strap of muscle. This is called tibialis anticus muscle. Tibialis anticus muscle.